So this is Jordan on the left, and that's Scooby, my dog, on the right. He's a dachshund / wiener. Okay, so I will give Jordan this chain, and he will try, and he will let Scooby go, and Scooby will run away from Jordan, and Jordan will try and catch him, and this should be pretty fun. Alright, here's the chain. Let him go. Go get him. Get him. Let him go. Let him go. Let him go. Let my dog go. Let him go. He won't let him go because he's scared he's going to run to the next door neighbor's house. He was supposed to run over to this way, but he ran that way. And he was pretty close to the road. And you see Jordan still on the hash language. This has been a Skylar Hill production.